Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easytalk Hub, the place where learning English feels natural and enjoyable. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our lovely listeners. Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, it's a perfect day to practice English together.
It really is, Mark. I'm feeling very calm and peaceful today. How about you?
I'm feeling great, thank you. I have my tea with me, I'm relaxed, and I'm ready for a nice conversation.
That sounds wonderful. I'm glad to hear that.
Before we begin today's topic, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please press the like button. It's quick for you, but it helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Easytalk Hub. We'd love to have you as part of our learning family.
Also, share this episode with your friends. Learning English is always better together.
Absolutely. So, Anna, you mentioned you're feeling peaceful today. What's the reason?
Today's topic is very calm and relaxing.
Oh, I like the sound of that. What are we talking about?
We're going to talk about life in a small town, daily routines, the community, and relationships with neighbors.
That's a great topic. Small towns are very different from big cities.
They really are. Imagine waking up in a small town. What do you hear first?
In the city, I hear traffic, buses, and horns.
Exactly, lots of noise. But in a small town?
I think I'd hear birds singing.
Yes, birds, gentle wind, and peaceful silence. It's very calming.
That sounds stress-free.
Mornings in small towns are slower. People don't rush.
I love slow mornings. I like enjoying my coffee without checking the clock.
Many people sit outside on their porch in the morning.
The porch, that's the front area of the house, right?
Yes, they sit, drink coffee, and watch the sunrise.
That's a beautiful way to start the day. What happens next? Do people go to work?
Yes, but the commute is very different.
Commute means traveling from home to work.
Exactly. In big cities, commutes can take an hour or more.
I know. Traffic can be very stressful.
But in small towns, many people walk to work.
Walking to work sounds amazing and healthy.
Or they drive for just 5 or 10 minutes with no traffic jams.
That gives people more free time.
Yes, more time for life and for people.
You mean neighbors?
Yes, community is very important in small towns.
I like the word community. It means people living and caring together.
In small towns, you recognize most people you see.
That's nice. In cities, I see many people, but I don't know them.
In small towns, people stop, smile, and say, "Good morning."
Good morning, Mrs. Smith. Hello, Mr. Brown.
Exactly. And they talk for a few minutes.
What do they usually talk about?
Simple things, the weather, their garden, or family news.
That makes people feel connected.
Yes, connected is the perfect word.
I've heard neighbors help each other more in small towns.
Is that true?
Very true. Let me give you an example.
I'm listening.
Imagine you're baking a cake, but you realize you don't have sugar.
Oh no, that's a problem.
In the city, you'd rush to the store.
But in a small town?
You knock on your neighbor's door and ask politely.
Hi, may I borrow some sugar?
And usually the answer is yes.
Because next time they might need eggs.
Exactly. People help each other. There's trust.
Do people lock their doors in small towns?
In very small places, some people leave doors unlocked during the day.
That shows a lot of trust and safety.
Yes, neighbors look out for one another.
Like a big family.
Now let's talk about shopping.
Is there a big shopping mall?
Usually not. There are small local shops.
Like a bakery or a grocery store?
Yes, and the shop owners are often your neighbors.
So you know the baker personally?
Exactly. He might say, "Good morning, Mark. Your favorite bread today?"
That feels very special.
But there's one small downside.
What is it?
The shops close early.
So no late night shopping?
Right. You need to plan ahead.
That's a fair trade for peace and quiet.
I agree. Now let's talk about evenings.
What happens at night?
It gets dark and quiet.
Can you see the stars?
Yes, very clearly.
I love looking at stars.
You can also hear crickets at night.
Those little insects that make sounds chirp chirp?
Yes, and the air feels clean and fresh.
That's great for your health.
People often walk more, eat fresh food, and feel less stress.
City life can be very stressful.
Small towns are slower, busy in a good way.
Busy with family, gardens, and neighbors.
Exactly, but small towns aren't for everyone.
Because there are fewer entertainment options?
Yes, no big clubs or concerts.
So it's perfect for relaxing, maybe on vacation.
A small town vacation is wonderful. It helps you recharge.
Recharge means getting energy back.
Yes, and small towns also love festivals.
Really?
Yes, food festivals, seasonal festivals.
That sounds fun.
Everyone meets in the town center, eats, laughs, and enjoys time together.
Simple fun with friendly people.
Exactly.
Anna, we've talked a lot today.
Yes, time goes fast when you're enjoying yourself.
Let's quickly recap.
We talked about peaceful mornings, short commutes, friendly neighbors.
Local shops, quiet evenings, fresh air, and a strong community.
Now we'd like to ask our listeners something.
Do you live in a big city or a small town?
Now we'd like to ask our listeners something.
Do you live in a big city or a small town?
Which do you prefer? City energy or small town peace?
Tell us in the comments. Writing comments is great English practice.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode.
Thank you so much for listening.
Have a peaceful day wherever you are.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.